I'll be using this book in our tutorial lesson. Tingnan natin kung effective sa inyo. So, nasa chapter 5 po tayo. Linear equation and inequalities in two variables. So, ayan lahat. Chapter 5 muna, ha? Kasi ito yung lesson mo.
Hello everyone! Welcome to aroMATHerapy Tutorial Services. This is Jen Dorado, your tutor.
Let's discuss the solutions and answers to your problem sets. Use the given coordinate plane to find the coordinates of the points F, I, E, S, T, and A. Before plotting these points on the Cartesian coordinate plane, let us first recall your Cartesian coordinate plane, its basic concept, its parts, and everything, okay? So here, your horizontal line is your x-axis. This vertical line here is your y-axis. Your x-axis can also be called as abscissa. And your y-axis can be also called as ordinate. In naming points on the Cartesian coordinate plane, let us always remember the ordered pair x, y. So, laging mauna si x, kasunod si y. So, you write coordinate or ordered pair xy. So that is how you name the points on the coordinate plane. Xy palagi. Tapos lagyan mo ng parentheses. I-enclose mo siya. So this is your x. For example, sa may point F. X is equal to 4. 3 is equal to y. Understood? Okay. This axis, these two axes, x-axis and y-axis, divides your Cartesian coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. So the first quadrant is here, with points positive, positive. Ito siya. Your second quadrant is located here with points negative, positive. Negative si x, positive si y. So this is your second quadrant. Your third quadrant is located here sa my left part, lower left. Negative, negative. Negative x, negative y. Your fourth quadrant is located here sa my lower right, with points positive, negative. Positive si x, negative si y. Can you follow? So please take note of these quadrants. Quadrant 1, positive, positive. Quadrant 2, negative, positive. Quadrant 3, negative, negative. Quadrant 4, positive, negative. And again, this is your x-axis, yung horizontal. Your y-axis is your vertical. Ayan ha. So, laging mauna si x, kasunod si y. Again, in naming points on the Cartesian coordinate plane, always look for x first, tapos isunod si y. Mauna si x, kasunod si y. Gets? Okay, na-get na ang review. Let us now plot the points on the Cartesian coordinate plane. Point F, 4, 3. Positive, positive. Asan siya? Asan to? Purple. 4, 3. Ayan, dito siya ilagay. Okay? Can you follow? Next. Point I. Negative 4, positive 6. Negative, positive. Quadrant 2. O, so dito siya. Asan si negative 4? Eto. Asan si negative 6? Ayan. So, ayan. Point. Koloran mo dyan. Orange. Ay, joke, yellow. O, sige. For point E, negative, negative, quadrant 3, automatic, quadrant T, o negative, negative. So, dito na unahin si X. Asan si negative 4? Ato. Where is negative 3? Ayan. So, diyan ka mag-plot ng points. Orange. Next, point S. Positive, negative, quadrant 4. Positive 3. Negative 5. O, dito siya. Ayan. Next, eto, positive, positive. Positive 1, positive P. Positive 5, brother. So, you have here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, dito siya. Next, point A, negative 3, 0. Where is negative 3, 0? This is your negative 3. And ito yung 0 mo. Ito si Y. So, it's here. Quadrant 2. What if maglagay ako ng point dito? Ayan, sa gitna siya. What do you think is this? This is point 0, 0. Or your origin. So, ayan ha. Si 0, 0, siya si origin. So, nag-gets na? Nag-gets na kung paano mag-plot ng points on the Cartesian coordinate plane? Clear? Okay.
Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.
There should be no such thing as boring mathematics. Reduce math anxiety. Say yes to aroMATHerapy.